Amazing facts about midlife. Is it a crisis really? To find out the real facts and happenings, please continue to watch my full video without skip in between. If you are traveling or in offices etc., just hear my voice. It will help you to use headphone for better experiences. Now let's come to the point. Welcome to my channel Arnab Ghosh Psychonomy, and my today's topic is midlife crisis. We often accustomed to the word midlife crisis, right? Sometimes people think about whether they themselves are into it or not. But you might be amazed to know that 95% people who are worried about their midlife crisis simply don't know the meaning and symptoms of midlife crisis at all. My dear friends, to understand the crisis of midlife, you need to understand the midlife first very carefully. In this era of 21st century, everything is very fast. Speed of any incidents, happenings, our minds, decisions changes very quickly in a very speedy way. Sometimes even before you realize the thing what has happened. One thing you might have noticed in this fast-paced life is that everything comes fast and becomes obsolete also very fast. Isn't it? Can you remember that winding watch, mechanical in nature, in your father's hand? And that's the only watch you might have seen in his wrist in your entire childhood. Now just think of yourself. Is it the same thing with you too? When you become a father of your child? Absolutely not, because days have been changed. You might be changing your wristwatch frequently while shopping with your spouse during festive seasons. What happened with your existing wristwatch? Nothing but simply obsolete. Remember about the single bike or bicycle or even the refrigerator, televisions. You might realize those things during your entire childhood was same and never changed. Even today, we have sentimental values of those things. The things which our previous generations have used was durable in nature. Do you know why? Just because their mind was also durable and not flexible like us. But in today's fast-paced life, each and everything that surrounds us comes and goes within a very short span of time. We, the human being, our values, our respects, our id, our ego, everything. This fast life has a great impact on human mind internally. Though we say with joy that it is okay, we love it, it's a new technology, more user friendly, etc. etc. But internally, we are afraid of something. What's that? The day will come when you will also become obsolete in this world. And here the main crisis begins within the mind. In simple words, midlife crisis occurs when a person feels that he is no more young, neither he accepts himself as an older person. Mind controls our body. Thus, in this period, mind sometimes becomes childish and wants to do some naughty things which usually are the flashbacks of our past lives. May it be the romance with your partner or a dance party that you have enjoyed earlier, but at the same time, people feel that body is not at par with the mind and it asks for some rest after some time. So it is a crisis in between. These crises sometimes are acute in females due to their hormonal changes, biological and physiological changes too. They feel it better at the front of mirror. Looks got changed, but mind a big no. I can, right? Midlife crisis generally begins at the age of 35 in females and may exist till menopause. In men, it begins later at the age of 40 and continue up to 55 or 60. This is the time in which mind adjusts with the body gradually and acceptance comes in its own way. Starting of midlife crisis might be really painful for somebody. As the person goes through mental crisis, but gradually the person experiences how to cope with the situation and to face the challenges. Sometimes counseling is helpful in this period to cope up with for the better mental lucidity. Crises in housewives and homemakers are more severe than the working women because working woman interacts with various persons, works, travels, and finds less time to think due to productivity and activity outside. But housewives have lesser scopes to move outside and tackle this crisis. My suggestions to the housewives are that you should have some time for yourself every day when you spend time alone. It may be within the closed door or might be beside a flowing river or a snowy mountain, may it be a park. I mean to say, any place where you can sit comfortably and think comfortably about yourself only. Here, you means you, not your family, not your husband, not your child, none. Second is don't run from it. Rather, accept it gladly. Because if you run from it, you will not succeed in this competition But if you turn around, you will feel you are fine. This is my suggestion. The things for which you are worried about, mainly like menopause, etc., and some other physiological changes in your life which is God gifted and thus lifted as it's no more required. So why to bother? You can run, you can walk, you can dance, you can drive, you can have a good romantic moments too with your partner, mentally, physically, everything. So what's the problem? It's absolutely fine. Last but not least, midlife is such a stage where every person looks for a settlement. That's the only reason for which most of the divorces occurs in this stage due to mismatch with partners, tastes, choices, preferences, lifestyle, etc. etc. So settlement is important without any glitches. May it be alone, though loneliness is not advisable as because we, the human beings, are social animal and we need to interact. Thus, a life partnership is important where you can share your emotional, mental, physical feelings. Besides, exercises are important not just for the body fitness, but exercise is called psychosomatic treatment. You can practice yoga, breathing exercises, some free hands that releases some hormones which helps in controlling your stresses and anxieties. Try to keep your anxiety level at low as it increases diseases in the body. Remember, mind controls our body. So, if you can control your mind will take care of your body. Emotions should be in your control and you should never be in your emotional roller coaster. Once again, you should never be in your roller coaster. That's the emotional roller coaster. So, midlife is not a crisis if you can control your emotion. Enjoy each and every moment of your beautiful life indeed. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please bear a like for this video if you can and subscribe my channel if you are new into it. That's for today. Thank you very much once again. Rest in the next.